Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial, how to create a text inside shape layout. Draw a large circle or triangle using the shape tool, add your text layer below it and drag the shape above and right click create clipping mask. The text now appears perfectly within the shape. Adjust the text size to fill the space evenly and add background gradient for contrast. Duplicate the shape and set blending mode to overlay. Add drop shadows for layered look. Use the brush tool to create lights, highlights. Add small icons around the main shape. Apply curves for tone balance and add a border frame for structure. Now merge all layers neatly and add a soft vignette for focus. Save your